Hello, and welcome to Hubgrass Meditation. Thank you for joining me today for a 10-minute guided self-compassion meditation. These are definitely one of my favorite meditations to do because self-compassion is something very dear to me. It's something I struggle with the most, and I really hope this will help you out too. I was given great advice last week to not let the voices telling you all the bad things about yourself be as loud as the ones telling you about how great you are, because we are all great in our own way. So I hope this will give you a little bit of peace. And when you're ready, go ahead and find a comfortable position. Today I'm sitting on a bolster. It helps elevate your seat just a little bit more than folded blankets or stacked towels. You can have a seat in a chair, you can be sitting on a couch, or you can be laying down, whatever is most comfortable for you. And when you feel right, we can go ahead and get started. So when it feels right to do so, just get a little bit heavier in your seat. Make sure that you're comfortable. Make sure there's no distractions around you. And when it feels right to do so, you can close your eyes. To begin today, we're just going to start with a few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. We're going to fall back into our normal breathing pattern. And as always, we'll just start to feel a little heavier in our seat. Feeling our hands on our body or on our legs. Rolling your shoulders up towards the ears and down around your back. Making sure we're sitting up straight and alert. Relaxing all those micro movements around the eyes. Feeling our eyes get heavy inside their sockets. Relaxing the temples. And unsticking our tongue from the roof of our mouth. To begin those feelings of self-compassion, I want us to think about a time we had compassion for someone else. Could have been someone who was struggling, who needed help, maybe someone that just needed a friend or a hug. Start to create those feelings of that moment. And really focus on how that moment made you feel. And if your mind wanders, just bring it back to the moment. Focus on that moment. You gave someone else some compassion when they needed it most. Now that we know what those feelings of giving someone else compassion feel like, I want us to turn those feelings of compassion inward. And what would that be like if we gave ourselves some of that compassion? Does it make you feel uncomfortable? Or does it make you feel at peace? Or maybe a little bit of both. And no matter what those feelings are, it's okay. Allow yourself to feel them and to sit with them. Feel your hands on your knees or somewhere else on your body. Feel that heaviness in your seat and know that you are grounded. That it is okay if those feelings feel a little uncomfortable. And if it feels right to do so, repeat after me, either in your mind or out loud. May I be loving and kind to myself and others. May I be happy and free from expectations. And may I always remember that I am deserving of love and compassion for myself. Again, may I be loving and kind to myself and others. May I be happy and free from expectations. And may I always remember that I am deserving of love and compassion for myself. Go ahead and start to deepen that breath, inhaling in through the nose deeply and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And one more in through the nose and out through the mouth. And if it feels right to do so, you can bring your hands to your heart center and you can open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me for this 10-minute self-compassion meditation. I really hope this helps you. And if you'd like to subscribe and see more of our meditations, please do so. And I'll see you real soon.